Here's how to remove categories in Gmail in 2026 and keep your inbox clean and simple. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. In the top right corner, click the gear icon. Then select See All Settings. Now, make sure you're on the Inbox tab at the top. Scroll down until you see the Categories section. Here you'll see categories like Social, Promotions, Updates, and Forums. To remove a category, simply uncheck the box next to it. You can keep only Primary if you want a clean inbox. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Your inbox will reload, and the categories you removed will be gone. And that's it. Your Gmail inbox is now simpler and easier to manage. Subscribe for more fast and helpful Gmail tutorials.